recipes from a small kitchen where everything is easy to make and delicious to eat. Today I'm going to share with you 3 different delicious and super easy and healthy breakfast options. 3 different ways you can enjoy during the week if you want. Hope you guys enjoy it and hope you guys can make a few of them. Now let's get started with the ingredients. Okay, to make this wrap, we're going to need some garlic, red onions, red bell peppers, and about 5 eggs, depending on how many people are going to eat. And I have this delicious spinach wrap. What I did, I just toasted it in a pan, and then in the same pan I add about 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, and now I'm going to add my veggies. This is to taste, so you add, you can add more vegetables if you want. Just saute them for a couple of minutes just so it can be nice and soft, and then I add in my eggs. Now we're going to scramble this for a couple of minutes on medium heat. Add salt and pepper to taste. Mix well. And then let it cook for about 5 minutes until it's nicely done. Look how delicious it looks. Now let's get started with our delicious wrap. What I did is I added my scrambled eggs. And then I'm adding cheese because I love cheese with anything. It tastes so good. Now I'm just going to wrap this up nicely and carefully and just cut it in half. And enjoy, guys. So good. Next up, we are having granola with fruits. This is one of my favorite breakfast and or snack as well. I eat this for snacks too. I have here strawberries and blueberries. You can add more of your favorite fruits if you want. I have here low-fat yogurt, plain yogurt, and this is my favorite granola. This is honey almond. And I'm adding also organic honey to this. What you want to do is just add your yogurt on the bottom of your plate or of your bowl. And then you can add your fruits. I'm adding my blueberries and my strawberries. They've all been washed and drained and cut. And then I'm adding my granola. This is super, super simple. It's a perfect breakfast. And then at the end, I'm adding honey to it. Add a touch of sweetness, and that's about it. Super easy and super yummy. Now for our last option, breakfast option, is avocado toast with egg whites. What I did here, I just scrambled my egg whites. I added salt and pepper to taste. And in a skillet or a pan, I added about 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. And then I'm adding my egg whites. What I'm doing this now is just scrambling my egg whites back and forth, making sure it doesn't stick to my pan. And this takes about 5 minutes also on medium heat. And that's it, guys. Now we're gonna get to avocado toast. What I did is I just toasted my bread, my whole wheat bread, and I'm adding avocados. You can mash the avocados if you want, but I just did it like this. It still tastes good. And I'm adding my egg whites. I'm also gonna add about a pinch of garlic powder, just so it can elevate the flavor. And I'm also adding a little bit of sriracha, hot sauce. This option, of course, you don't like hot sauce, you don't have to make it. And there you go, guys. Super simple and delicious. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you. See you next time.